back with another cooking and loving video. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my dad's all-time favorite foods. He loves this, you know.
It's one of my favorites.
Exactly, yeah. I mean,
probably is the favorite.
I mean, I don't blame him. It's fantastic.
I cannot stop eating it. I cannot stop, eating it. It's just one of those things that you try one piece and you want another and you want another and another, and before you know, you finish the whole thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Should we say after the sigla?
Yeah.
Sigla.
What are we going to be making today?
Focaccia Ripiena.
So,
let's explain now.
So basically, Focaccia Ripiena is basically, it's not like a focaccia like I showed you before, like the tomatoes. It's actually like this, almost like this. So it's like, how do I explain? You explain. You're better explaining this.
Okay, in English, in Italian. English. No, it's a different dough from the focaccia pomodoro that we made, the Jonathan made before, and so this is a different dough, but it's basically a bottom layer of dough and top layer filled with all goodness. Now we are making a simple one, ham and cheese. Actually, the cheese will be fresh mozzarella. We are now putting that, and it's now drying out with cooked ham or smoked ham. But you can put anything you want. You can put even tuna. You can put capers. You can put vegetables. You can put, we also have the focaccia alla cipolla, which is made with onions, typical pugliese from a region. But this is the classic filled focaccia with mozzarella and ham. So let's move over there, Jonathan, and let's start this nice day cooking focaccia ripiena. Okay, Jonathan, so we are here. We have the machines ready. We have half a kilograms of flour, 00. And then we have the rest of the ingredients.
We have fresh yeast, as you can see here. We have water, salt, and olive oil.
Extra virgin.
Extra virgin olive oil.
We also have
honey.
Honey. Right. So I'll let you do the
okay.
preparation.
So the first step is you want to melt the yeast. I'm just gonna put a little bit of water.
Little bit of water.
I think we need to watch the Jimmy.
Yeah, let's start now to make a mess over there. So I'm gonna get a napkins.
Just melt it until it doesn't look too good, but I mean you're not eating this, so there's a thing that it's not just getting like.
Yeah, it doesn't have to get perfectly because it's gonna melt anyway with the heat. When it turns, it creates it. So
now this.
All of it.
Into
yeah.
heat. So now I was gonna say, we have the salt. So with the rest of the salt, we just put it into here. Oh, try not to make a mess like I just did, and just salt of.
I'm your cleaner today.
Yeah, make salt water.
Now the extra virgin olive oil, because people are gonna say, oh, why you mix olive oil? It doesn't mix with water. That's true. They have different density, different viscosity. But so even if you twist, you're not gonna make a one single fluid. But the idea is that try to incorporate as much as possible.
So little by little. Okay, so as you can see here, it's not fully combined because we haven't added all the water. But now we're going to add the honey. So in the honey. And just start on one again. Work our way up. Just slowly combine it.
Okay, so we transferred the dough. It's complete, but as you can see, it's still sort of half wet, sticky, and that's fine because the rest we're gonna do with the ends. I start this because I like it. This is what good muscle is all about. You've done it so many times. I want to do it. This is also the old-fashioned way. When we didn't have those machines. This is how you do it. So it's very simple. You just try to little by little make into a round ball.
Yeah, making the cotoletta.
So by doing this, I'm giving the round form. Very simple, very smooth.
And put the olive oil back.
Okay, you put it there. Done. That's all you need to do. In the oven, Jonathan, with the lights on, and we wait until the volume becomes double. How do we know when the volume becomes double? You just see. Or we can calculate it, but you can see it. Okay, we wait for about 2 hours, and as you can see, it doubled, probably even almost triple.
Yeah, it's huge now.
So let's just get done with this.
Airy.
Very airy.
Yeah.
Now what we need to do, we put a little bit of flour. So Jonathan, how about I do the shape and then you start putting the pans and then we can do it, okay? So I'm gonna remove. Look how nice and hairy it is. Now obviously it's oily, but it's gonna help.
Stick.
Yeah, cut enough. One would be the bottom, and one will be the
top. Yeah, just
the top. Okay, so this one we can leave it here for now. Need a little bit more flour, just to give a little bit of shape first.
Yeah.
And then now, different the pizza that you want to do by hands for the hair. This one, because it's focaccia, we're gonna let it make it like a square. In the beginning, it will be very elastic, so you gotta help make it less. If you try to do this and it's gonna go out and then restrain and drag, it means it's stressed. So you just leave it there for like 10 minutes. And then it's go back nice and easy. Right, Jonathan?
Yep. Or
have you said this in your previous video or not?
Yes, I have. I also said that you can use gravity to help it stretch. But then, I think this is much better. It's much easier.
Yeah, let's use gravity.
I think I meant something. Yeah, okay.
I need to get the pans.
Yeah.
We finished the bottom part. We put in the pans. It was very easy. So now
quite easy actually.
I'm gonna put the tomatoes and then I'm gonna put the rest.
Yep.
So I can start doing the top. Can you get the oregano? So we are putting basically tomato sauce with some little bit of olive oil, oregano, salt. And then we're gonna put some mozzarella, then on top the smoked ham, which give an extra taste.
Yeah.
As I said before, you can put everything you want really, but this is
it's
quite
just
good.
The regular,
if
you like to call it.
A little bit of oregano. Now the oregano give an extra taste, so don't be cheap on that. I mean, don't put a lot.
Yeah, don't put a lot that you just taste oregano.
Yeah, but it kind of taste it, but if you put a lot, it becomes a little bit
too
bitter. So you're gonna do that. I'm gonna continue doing this. Now this is, as you can see, is relaxed. So when you, how do you say standing? When you roll. Yeah, when you roll, it's quite easy. And to be honest, you don't even need to roll that much because you can do it with your hands, your finger when you put on top of the rest. Put your flour so it doesn't, so this one doesn't stick. Ham, let's put the ham.
These wash my hands.
So the ham I like to put like in pieces instead of big slice. And the reason of that is because when you then bite, if you have a full slice of ham, the ham come out sometimes. So if you have in pieces,
yeah, when the ham comes out,
it cooks better, and you can actually taste better when you bite all together. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just put cover everything you can. Okay, so this one, then pick it up on top. Easy. And then you cover.
On top?
No. Just like when you're closing a calzone, or have you made a calzone?
No, that's actually another thing we should make on this channel.
Oh, now that's gonna be.
Yeah, so we need to do calzone.
We should do live.
Live, yeah. We should do some more smoked meats. I just noticed that we only did one smoked meat.
Yeah, but this the weather.
Brisket.
The weather is it is what it is. I mean,
Yeah, May. It's May and it's
April,
raining.
March, February. I mean, it's been raining.
It's been
non-stop.
yeah.
In South Italy, you will do smoked meat.
In March.
Most every day if you want.
No, what was I saying? So obviously tomorrow this is still gonna be soft because of the dough. You could just eat like that.
Yeah,
you can warm stuff if you want.
Yeah, you don't need to put it in the fridge. Tomorrow will be good. It's good for the next 2 days actually. You can leave it there. You don't need to put it in the fridge. But to be honest, it's not gonna be any leftover. Trust me. If you cook this.
I mean, we normally cook 2 of these, and we still have.
Yeah, 2 of these, but today we cook so much
Yeah.
that this is just a fun for us, really.
Yeah. I mean, after all, we have fun on this channel, so.
We have fun cooking, and that's the important.
Yeah.
If you ain't fun, don't do it.
Trusty brush. I'm just going to. It's almost like your egg washers. Yeah, it's basically like doing that but with oil.
I'm going to turn on the oven.
Okay.
So this one will be static oven, about 160, 180 degrees, or even 200, depends on the oven that you have. Usually I do check as it cooks. How's it go? Right, Jonathan?
Yeah. This is ready to go into the oven. I cannot wait to try this.
We remove this from the oven. As you can see, it's still quite hot. It's a beautiful color. Now this is quite, as I said before, if you touch, it's quite still a little bit hard. Give it 10 minutes rest, and it's gonna be soft. And after that, we're gonna cut a piece, put on a plate, and show you how it looks and try.
Yes, I am so excited.
Excited, yes.
It's quite late actually, so I'm quite hungry.
So let's, it's dinner time, so we are all hungry.
10 minutes has passed. Now for the taste test, as always, you can see here it's nice golden brown texture inside, full of.
Very soft.
Yeah, it's really soft. I have to say, very very soft. So, obviously. That is very soft. Oh. As always, I have to end the video here. You know, make sure you subscribe to my channel, smash the like button and notification bell. You know, comment whatever you want. Ask for more recipes.
We said that we're gonna be away because we're going on holiday, so the next video will be a little bit later on.
Yeah. Just a heads up that we're going away for the half term, so yeah, videos aren't probably just like a week or 2 delay for videos. But
when we come back, we'll be ready.
We'll be ready. So yeah, there's a lot more to come. If you want the full recipe, like the ingredients and stuff like that, the measurements, we'll always drop it down in the comments below. Ciao, ciao.